Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Rehan Khan, certified fitness trainer and nutritionist from the IFSA International Fitness and Sports Association and IHFA International Health and Fitness Association. I am gonna share you few tips for the weight loss and weight gain or muscle building journey. Like how one should start his fitness journey, weight loss journey or weight gain journey. So there are few steps for a beginner to start his weight loss journey. First, when the person comes to join the gym, the first step is he should count his maintenance calories, which will be like with the apps or few techniques are there to count his maintenance calories. So if he want to have a weight loss, he should minus 200 calories from the maintenance calories, which is called a calorie deficit. If he wanna have a weight loss, is a few steps. Like in the first week, he should minus 200 calories from his maintenance calories, and in the second week he should increase it to the 300 or 400. To the next week he should increase with the 500 calories, which should be minus from the maintenance calories, which helps him or her to reduce the fat from the body. And there will be same situation called calorie surplus to have a weight gain or muscle building from the maintenance calories. For example, if the person is having 3000 as his maintenance calories, he should add 200 or 300 weekly wise to his calories, which is in diet. Or for example, in the weight loss, if the calories intake is 3000, he should minus it by the 200 in the week per wise period. The diet should be, if a weight loss diet should be high in protein and low in calorie, and for the muscle building he should be high in calorie and high in protein. So I am from Gut Fitness Center, Yusufgura, Krishnanagar, training here all the one for the weight loss, for muscle building or contest preparation. I am a certified trainer from IHFA. So here are all the workouts I will be explaining here, the weight loss and the muscle building. Thank you.